Hi, this movie, brought to you by Carrie and Amanda, is about the effects of alcohol on inattentional blindness, based on a study by Cliff and colleagues conducted in 2006. One important effect of alcohol that is especially relevant in this study is called alcohol myopia, which means the more intoxicated someone is, the smaller their ability to allocate sufficient information to cognitive tasks. But what does this have to do with inattentional blindness? In theory, if people under the influence of alcohol were to watch the famous gorilla movie, their smaller pool of attention would make it more difficult for them to focus on something other than the counting task. So, they would have much more difficulty spotting the gorilla than they would if they were sober. To test this theory, participants were divided into two groups. One group drank enough alcohol to bring their BAC to a level of 0.04, and the other group drank a placebo. In addition, half of the people in each of these groups were told that they received alcohol, and the other half were told they received the placebo. This was to control the effects that result from believing people are intoxicated as opposed to actually being under the influence. Participants were then shown the gorilla video and asked to count the number of times the team wearing white t-shirts passed the ball. After the movie was over, they rated how strongly they felt certain physiological and cognitive effects, which included difficulty thinking and fuzziness. So, who saw the gorilla? 18% of the members of the alcohol group and 46% of the placebo group saw the gorilla. In addition, what they thought they consumed had absolutely no effect on whether they saw the gorilla or not. This finding suggests that having a BAC of only 0.04, which is half of the legal limit, significantly narrows attention, setting outside of the laboratory. In terms of driving, many accidents are already caused by natural inattentional blindness. For example, if a driver is focusing intently on the song playing on the radio, they may not notice a car about to hit them from the side. This suggests that a lower legal driving limit should be considered. People who are slightly intoxicated and are eyewitnesses to a crime may have poorer memory for general details, but if they focus on the correct item, such as the perpetrator's face, their testimony could be very accurate.